Sunshine, laughter, and watermelon. Now that's a true South African summer. And the best part, you can grow this yourself right in your backyard. So stick around, because I'll be showing you how easy it is to grow your own watermelon from seed right in your very own backyard garden. Before we jump in though, did you know that South Africa is perfect for growing watermelons? They love the warm sunny days and the warm soil. That's something we've got plenty of over here. So why would you want to grow your own? Well, have you seen these prices lately? One good plant can give you up to 2 or 3 watermelons, and they taste way better too. Going to the cricket? Well, you can use them for helmets as well. Alright, let's get into it. Here's how to start your watermelon journey from seed to seedling. These seeds take about 7 to 14 days to germinate, and harvesting will be ready in 90 to 100 days. I'll be making a follow-up video very soon to show you how these watermelon seedlings are doing. So be sure to subscribe to make sure that you don't miss out. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.